This is part number 3 of the topic index numbers from the subject business statistics. In previous video, you have learnt about how to construct unweighted aggregative price index and unweighted average of relative price index. Now we will continue with weighted index numbers. In weighted index numbers, all the items in the list do not have equal importance. So, as per their importance, we assign weights to various items. As you have already learned in our previous video of index number, that construction of weighted index numbers are classified into two categories, weighted aggregative and weighted average of relatives. Here we will discuss 5 weighted aggregative methods with the help of a problem statement. Named Laspeyres Method, Paasche Method, Dorbish and Bowley's Method, Fisher's Ideal Method, Marshall-Edgeworth Method. Before understanding the methods for constructing weighted aggregative index numbers, you should know about current year and base year. The year in which comparison is made is called current year, and the year with respect to which the comparison is made is the base year. Let's discuss various methods and their formulae for constructing weighted aggregative index numbers. First method is Laspeyres method. In this method, determination of weights are done by the quantity in the base period. Formula to construct price index by this method is sigma P1Q0 divided by sigma P0Q0 multiplied by 100. Second method is Paasche method. In this method, weights are decided by the quantity in current year. Formula to construct price index with Paasche method is sigma P1Q1 divided by sigma P0Q1 into 100. Another method to construct weighted aggregative price index is Dorbish and Bowley method. This is the simple arithmetic mean of Laspeyres index and Paasche index. Formula is Laspeyres index plus Paasche index divided by 2. Our next method is Fisher's ideal method. This is the geometric mean of Laspeyres index and Paasche index. Formula of price index by this method is under root L into P, where L is Laspeyres index and P is Paasche index. One more weighted aggregative method is Marshall-Edgeworth method. In this method, both base year prices and quantities are considered. Formula is sigma P1Q0 plus sigma P1Q1 whole divided by sigma P0Q0 plus sigma P0Q1 whole multiplied by 100. Let's take an illustration to understand above discussed all 5 methods, where 4 commodities S, T, U and V are given and prices and quantities of each commodity for the year 2018 and 2019 is given. For solving the given sample problem, we need to calculate P1Q0, P0Q0, P1Q1 and P0Q1, where price of current year 2019 is denoted by P1 and price of base year 2018 is denoted by P0. Similarly, quantity of current year is denoted by Q1 and quantity of base year is denoted by Q0. On multiplying P1 to Q0 of each commodity, we will get sigma P1Q0 is 800. In the same way, we will find sigma P0Q0 is 640, sigma P1Q1 is 520, sigma P0Q1 is 412. For constructing price index by Laspeyres method, we will substitute the values of sigma P1Q0 and sigma P0Q0 in prescribed formula, and after all calculations, we will get index numbers of current year, which is 125. Similarly, in Paasche's method, we will substitute the values of sigma P1Q1 and sigma P0Q1 in prescribed formula. After calculation, we will get the index number of current year, which is 126.21. For constructing index numbers by Dorbish and Bowley's method, we will substitute the previously calculated Laspeyres and Paasche's index values 125 and 126.21 in the given formula, and we will get price index of current year 125.6. Substituting the price index of Laspeyres and Paasche's in the formula of Fisher's ideal index, we will get the price index of current year, which is 125.6. For getting price index by Marshall-Edgeworth method, we will substitute the values of sigma P1Q0, sigma P0Q0, sigma P1Q1, sigma P0Q1 in the prescribed formula. We will get price index of current year, which is 125.47. Another method for constructing price index in weighted index number is weighted average of relatives method. Its formula is sigma PV divided by sigma V. Here P is price relatives and V is value weights. We will get P by dividing P1 by P0 multiplied by 100. Here is an example in which commodities sugar, rice and milk are given and prices of current and base years with quantity of base period is given. We need to calculate price index by supplying weighted average of price method using arithmetic mean. First, we will find value weights by multiplying price of base year by the quantity of base year. After summing up the values of all commodities, we will get sigma V is equal to 2000. Then we will find price relatives for each commodity with the help of a small formula, which is P1 upon P0 multiplied by 100. Now we will multiply price relatives by value weights and we will get PV. Now we will find the summation of PV, which is 2,39,800, and substitute the values in prescribed formula. Finally, we will get price index 119.9. Here we conclude that there has been 19.9% increase in prices over the base level. As we know that there are three types of index numbers, which are price index, quantity index and value index. We have studied about price index. Now we will know about quantity index numbers. This is very easy to calculate. You just need to change P to Q and Q to P in all the formulae discussed for calculating price index. For computing value index, we need to divide total value of all commodities in the current year denoted by sigma P1 Q1 by total values of all the commodities in the base year and multiplied the result by 100. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe, stay connected, prepare well for examination. All the best.